Okay, I'm down here at Riverside, and as you may have heard, they're tearing it down. This is an old place. I don't know how old, but I've got pictures from the 60s of this place being exactly like it was up until quite recently, and the storms have just taken their toll, and it's all going away now. They are going to rebuild something here, but this building was just shot. Just taking too many blows from too many hurricanes. A very historic place in Homosassa on the river. I actually videoed the fireworks from out on that pier one time. I've eaten in there. Had a friend here from New Orleans. He said something he had here, he said it was better than in New Orleans. Monkey Island off there in the background. In fact, I've got a shot from the 60s from right here. Another one of that pier right there, and that sign that is in the picture was only lost in the last storm, last year. Here out on the water, there's Monkey Island. There's the restaurant. It's all going away. So there you go, a little bit of history there, and we'll wait and see what comes next.